Hey there, fellow freelancers. Ever found yourself tirelessly promoting your gigs, hoping for that notification bell to chime? Well, I've got some game-changing strategies for you today. In today's tutorial, I'm about to unveil the secrets of leveraging AI to kickstart your Fiverr journey in 2023. Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with Number 1. SEMrush, your savvy market researcher helping you discover the most profitable niches on Fiverr. Number 2. Grammarly, acting as your content's bodyguard, ensuring every word is on point and free from pesky errors. Number 3. Lumen 5, your personal filmmaker, turning your thoughts and words into captivating video content. But hey, don't take my word for it. Stick around and let's dive deep into this treasure trove of digital magic. Chapter 1. SEMrush. Enter SEMrush, the detective toolkit for the modern freelancer to guide you towards the most profitable niches. No, it's not magic. It's data. And today, we're diving deep into this treasure trove. Remember, a profitable niche is like fertile soil. It gives your gig the environment it needs to grow. First, I'm going to sign up. It's super simple. You just need to type in your email and generate a strong password. I've already signed up, or this video would go on for too long. Once I'm in the world of keywords is going to be my oyster. Now I'm going to pop that into SEMrush. Instant insights into what potential buyers are hunting for that keyword. And the best part? I just discovered goldmine keywords I'd never even thought of. Using these keywords smartly in my gig title, description, and tags. That's like setting up a giant neon sign saying, "Hey, I'm right here, on Fiverr." But wait, there's more. By keeping tabs on these trends, I can be equipped to constantly refine my gigs to mirror what the Fiverr market craves. No more throwing things at the wall and hoping something sticks. With SEMrush, it's not about just being in the game, it's about leading it. I can now identify, adapt, and conquer my niche on Fiverr. Chapter 2. Grammarly. Once I've chosen my niche, it's time to study the top sellers. I'm going to pick out what makes their gigs stand out and craft my unique selling proposition. But I'm not just going to copy, I'm going to innovate. And to ensure my gig description is impeccable, Grammarly is my go-to tool. Now, have you ever found the perfect gig you wish was yours and wondered how to make your gig description just as polished and compelling? What if I told you with the right tools you could potentially double what your competitor is earning? The secret isn't just in what they say, but how they say it. And that's where Grammarly comes into play. Let me show you how to go from inspired by a top gig to crafting your unique, error-free pitch. First impressions count. A flawless gig description not only appears professional, but also builds trust with potential clients. First things first, I'm going to sign up on Grammarly. The good news, they've got a free version that covers my basic grammar and punctuation needs. I'm going to dive into their premium version. It's like having a top-notch editor, refining not just my words, but the tone of my message too. Let's purchase the monthly package. It's not your lucky day today. Sadly, I will not be sharing my credit card details. Alright, so now I've bought the premium version of Grammarly, and I'm all set for the next stage. Here's the magic. I used a top-selling gig for inspiration, rewrote it in my own words, and now I'm going to let Grammarly work its charm. Not only will it polish my grammar, but it'll ensure my gig sounds confident and professional. First things first, I'm going to set my preferences. Since I'm selling my services, I'm going to set the tone to business and convince. See how Grammarly's making suggestions on how I can improve my message to align properly with my goals. Once I'm happy with my description, I'm going to paste this text in my Fiverr gig description. First impressions matter. My gig description is often the first thing clients see, and clear, compelling language. It's proven to boost trust in sales. A tiny secret: flawless communication can skyrocket trust by up to 40%. Just thinking about the impact that can have on my gig orders is making me giddy. Every top-rated seller on Fiverr knows the importance of impeccable communication. If you want to be that Fiverr seller everyone's talking about, the one raking in orders while sipping coffee, it starts with getting your words right. And with Grammarly, you're already a step ahead. But wait, I've got more tools to uncover that'll elevate my Fiverr journey even further. Stick with me. Chapter 5. Lumen 5. Okay, I've researched my niche, scouted the best sellers, and used Grammarly to refine my gig's description. But how do I make my Fiverr gig truly stand out in 2023? Let's bring it to life with Lumen 5. Don't miss out on this crucial step. Let me show you just how. First things first, we need to sign up. See this sign up button? I'm going to click on it, punch in my details, and voila, I'm in. Welcome to my creative dashboard. Here's where the magic begins. Lumen 5 has a free version which is fantastic for beginners. You get access to a plethora of tools, and yes, you can absolutely create compelling videos with it. However, if you're someone who likes extra bells and whistles or plans on creating tons of videos, they've got some awesome premium plans. They offer more customization, access to premium media, and a lot more. Thinking of investing? Let me give you a reason. Studies show that engaging videos can increase your chances of reaching potential clients by up to 60%. That's right, 60% more eyeballs on your Fiverr gig. Let's do some quick math. An investment in a premium plan could mean more orders, more reviews, and accelerated growth on Fiverr. So in the long run, this might just be the best investment for your freelance journey. Okay, let me just show you the ease of creating a 2023 Fiverr gig with AI. Click on New Video. Now, I can either paste an article link or type in a crisp description of my Fiverr gig. Here, I'm going to paste my Fiverr gig description that I refined using Grammarly. See how Lumen 5 offers us scene suggestions. It's picking the essence from our input. Let's pick the ones we like. Music adds emotion. I'm going to choose one that resonates with my gig's vibe. Maybe something upbeat for our dynamic logos. Perfect. Can you feel the difference? Once I'm happy with my gig video, I'm going to hit save. It's ready to be showcased on my Fiverr gig. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, we've turned a basic description into an engaging video that can potentially get me more clicks on Fiverr. With our trusty trio, of course. Lumen 5 for those cinematic masterpieces, Grammarly to ensure you're always on point and not grammatically embarrassing yourself, and SESAMrush. Think of it as your personal lighthouse in the murky waters of Fiverr's SEO. But hey, remember, while these tools can offer you the superpowers, you're the superhero. Cape not included, sadly. Imagine securing your first client, earning rave reviews, and watching your income soar. Now, stop imagining. Start doing. Following these instructions, you will get first orders sooner than you can even imagine. On that note, let's smash that like button. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, are you even a digital warrior? And share. Because as they say, sharing is getting your friends to subscribe too.